This conference will now be recorded. This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah. Hi guys. Good morning.
Yeah,
Okay. Okay. Let me start with the we have left. Okay. So Naveen and Anantaramu both are working, right? You are working right now, right?
yes, Harshil.
Yeah, yes, Harshil.
Okay. Okay. I forgot actually. Naveen is having a 4 years of experience, correct, Naveen?
No, no, almost 7 years.
Oh, okay. Uh-huh. Okay. Anantaramu is also staying.
No, I am 1.5.
Okay. Okay. For sure. Okay. So Naveen, you're working in Bangalore or Hyderabad?
Yeah, in Bangalore.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Yeah. Mm. Okay. Okay. So, mm, okay. So yesterday we were discussing about the JSON, right? So we already discussed what all the data type is required. Okay, string, number, boolean, null, object, and array type. Okay, so we will slowly start with the data representation now. So how to create a data in a array format, how to create a data in a object format. Okay, just we will try to learn that. Then we will jump into the accessing of the data in the object and accessing of the data which is available inside in a JSON array. Okay, so you all already know the types which is applicable for the values and types which is applicable for the key. Okay, so now yesterday I will give you sample data for you guys to create a data now. Okay, first I will show you one sample data, then after that I will give you the scenario, so you have to try to create data. Okay, so that I will get to know where you are doing a mistake or you're creating properly or not. Okay, so for example, see, I am starting with the object. JSON object representation starts with opening curly brace and closing curly brace. So I'm starting with the opening curly brace and I'm closing with the closing curly brace here. Okay. Okay. So here I'm starting with one key, that is info key. For this info key, I'm representing the value of type array. Okay, I'm representing the value of type array. Okay, array started here. How to represent a array? A square bracket. Okay, so inside this array, I have this object again, opening curly brace, closing curly brace. So I'm opening one curly brace and I'm closing one curly brace. In between this, I have a name, like Ash, so comma representation, and next thing is just I'm calling it as a subject. So again here data, so I will keep an integer representation. This is one object. Okay, so this is one object. And one more thing, I will make this as a class info. Okay, class info name is like Arch and attending a data structure subject, child subject. So here let's do a comma, fresher false. Okay, this is one data. One more data I have to represent. Okay, one object is completed. This is completely regarding a Harsh information. Then one more student is there now, right? So I have to represent their information. So for that again I will open the object. So I will open the object and I will keep all this information. I will keep all this information here.
Madam, I think instead of paint, we can use Notepad++. That would be very convenient for you.
We can use that, but in the middle I have to explain, no? So for that again I need a pen. Okay.
Yeah.
That's the reason I'm just using this.
We'll copy paste here that time. We can
A
copy
copy
paste here
paste
that.
you say. Yeah, we can do anyway, convenient. No, this is,
You can
yeah.
save many strokes.
It's, yeah. Okay. So here maybe it is, let's take a Navin. Okay. So maybe is learning API. Article 20 is fresher. It's a false information. Okay. And one more information I need to provide means again I'm separating with a comma and I'm taking one more data representation. Okay, so here again maybe here I will keep it as Anant, and here maybe it's a Python learning. Python learning, and it is true. Okay, so I'm ending with this. I'm opening object of this. I'm ending here. Okay, fine. So now if you can see here, see object has started here and it's closing here. Object has started here and closing here. Object has started here and closing here. Okay, so then okay, have maybe have finished of representation. I have to close So I'm closing this array finally. I'm closing this array. Then I'm closing the main object. Okay. My JSON object has started here, right? That I have to close. I'm closing it here. Okay. Done. This is one representation. Okay. So now I start understanding this. So what I'm doing. So we have already seen, right? Like, what are the data types is applicable. So we do have a one type of data, that is array type of data. Okay. So for the JSON key, always it should be a string and the value can be any of the applicable data type. In that, array is also one kind. You have a question that when to represent the array and how to represent the array. Okay. See, for example, the key name is class info. Inside the class, you all know not only single student will be attending. Multiple students is there inside the class. So you need to grab the information about each and every student in the class info key. Okay. See, for example, for us, no, it's not possible to create like multiple keys for the same value. Okay, I mean to say, for the Ash, class info 1, for the Naveen, class info 2, for the Anant, class info 3. So like that we can create, but that is not a good approach because all are sitting inside a one class only. Okay, not in a different class. Okay, all are sitting inside a one class. So we need to represent one key that is giving all these information, all the multiple students information. Okay, so I mean to say, in programming language, if I can say that, like, when we go for the array concept, access. Okay, so if I am accessing a class info, the one who is available in that class, everyone info I should able to grab it. Okay, so I can also create different keys for the different student. But what if I have a 30 student, is it possible to sit and create class info 1, class info 2, class info 3, class info, like that, 30 types of variables? No, it is not a good approach, right? So I can also do that, but if I want to represent 30 set of data, I have to create a 30 times this keys. So, like, this will be like, time wasting process. Okay, so I have to represent common set of data in a for year. If I see the key here, I can sense that this is a, about, class, regarding a class detail. Okay, so here, so what's happening in this key, I want to store all the set of data. Okay, this is all the entire set of data who are all attending or who are all available in that class. Okay, so this is all the students information. So now what I'm doing, I'm calling an array type of value here. Okay, because I want to dump all the students information in the single key. I'm calling an array concept. So inside the array, I'm maintaining different object. Why I'm maintaining different object? Because information will differ student to student. Okay, information will differ student to so
You,
I'm opening a object, using a object.
hello. Your voice is
Yeah.
actually. We lost you. Your
Oh,
connection is poor. It
yes. I think it's poor. Uh, Yesterday I used more, I guess. 1 second, yeah.
yeah. Yesterday also it happened actually.
Yeah. Because I'm not in my city. That's why there is some issue. Okay. Wait. Is it okay now? Better to you? Oh, you. Okay, your voice is breaking in between. Is it breaking? Now also?
Now it's
Now
fine.
it is
So
audible. See, in
Okay.
between this happening.
Okay. If it happens means let me know. I will just change my network connection.
In
Okay.
between, you are not watching the messages.
Okay.
You are in your
Let me
flow,
keep
in
a
your flow, right?
notification. Let me keep notification. It's a send desktop notification of a new chart. Okay. I kept a notification. Okay. If you guys are sending the message, it will notify for me. You can send me. Okay. Okay. Understood, right? So when to go for an array? So I have to represent each and every student information in a single key. Okay. So by the time we need to go for an array concept. So why we have created different object? Because information will differ from student to student. Okay, maybe Naveen is a experienced candidate and Anand is a fresher candidate and I'm maybe I'm about to TL level. So like different information will be there for the student to students, right? So that's why to maintain their particular information, I'm opening the bracket, I'm closing the bracket. It means I'm creating an object, I'm closing an object, and I'm maintaining all the information here. Okay, so this is how we need to represent an array. So now, okay, I will just give you one task. Okay, if you are understood this, I will just give you one task. Then we will talk about accessing of an array. Okay, but now I will just write down your task. Just try to create a data for that. Okay. Okay, what is will be is, okay, let me make use of one. Okay, so scenario is, so create a data, please send me in the chat. Scenario is create employee data representation, create employee data representation, employees, okay, not a employee, employees data representation, and handle employee ID, employee name, uh, employee designation, employees, employee is fresher or experienced, and employees department. Okay, create a data for this and send me in the chat. I'll give you few minutes of time. Send me in the chat privately. Okay, don't send it to everyone. If it is long, also not a problem, just give a try. Yeah, done. Still need a time. Okay. Okay, Anant, I will check. Others do share. Anant, you missed to handle employee designation, right?
Oh, okay.
Department designation, you missed. Okay.
Yeah, I'm missing. Okay, okay,
I missed, and also one colon is also missed. Check. Okay.
okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Correct that.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah. Perfectly correct. Okay. Navina sent. Ramkoti, you are sending.
I sent already.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
this
Okay.
one is.
Yeah, I'm seeing. Okay. So, okay. Perfectly fine. Okay. So now I want to access, employee ID triple, uh, sorry, double three is there, right? I want to access that property. Okay. So how do I access? Question for you all. Like, I want to access employee ID double three out of these things. So how do I access? I have a three employee IDs here: double one, double two, double three. Okay. So I want to access this double three. How do I access this? Give it a try. How do I access?
Using get ID.
Using get ID. Okay. No, yeah. Okay, fine. Okay. In the JSON, if I want to travel inside the JSON means I want to travel inside it.
First I have to go to tag employee details.
Okay.
So then inside that you have to get the ID. So,
Okay. Huh. Okay. Okay, let me take on file. Okay. So now just look at here. Okay. So okay. So here we have a employee information, right? So we have a employee info and we have a multiple arrays. See, this is one array, as this is one data, this is one data, and this is one data. Okay. So now how to access particular property out of a three data? See, we do have a employee ID here as well. We do have a employee ID here as well. We do have a employee ID here also. Okay. Then if I want any particular data, how do I access? Okay, I hope you all already know array concept. Okay, so how array works in real time. So for example, we have like this, we have a like this set of a data. In this set of a data, we will be dividing the memory location, right? We will be dividing the memory location like this. Okay, um, so we will be having the memory location like this. Array concept. Okay, same concept will works here as well. Okay, so this is a multiple location. Okay, so maybe I'm representing this array with the name A. Okay, so A is the array name, and this is a different memory location, and we can say it as in a position in our case. So I want to keep this entire information of this object information. Okay, this object information I want to keep inside a first location. Okay, this should be go and sit here. Okay, and employee ID second. Okay, this information has to sit inside. This is how it works internally. Okay, it will go and it will sit, it will go and it will sit. So this second okay, this one, it will go and it will sit in this location. Okay, and one more other thing, this will go and this will sit, this will sit here. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so like remove this thing. Okay, so the first data representation will sit here, second data representation will sit here, and third data representation will sit here. Okay, this is how array will be located, means array data will be located inside the memory location. Okay, so if we are talking about a position way, so this is first position, this is second position, this is third position, but array data always will represent in the form of a index format. So index always starts with a 0. Okay, so index representation always starts with a 0. This is the 0th index, this is the first index, this is the second index. Okay, so this is for 0, first, second. Okay, I want to access this employee ID, but employee ID is available in each and every location. Okay, if I say coming here, hey, please, provide me employee ID, then it will get an ambiguity issue, means it will get confused. Okay, it is saying that employee ID, but which employee ID? In this also employee ID is there, in this also employee ID is there, in this also employee ID is there, then which employee ID it's want exactly? Okay, that's what we need to represent first. Okay, so now so suppose instead of IA, let me provide it as an employee info only, so that it will be meaningful for you. Employee info. Okay, this is an employee info array. Okay, so now what I will do, I want the last employee ID. Papa, I want this last employee ID. Okay, so what I will do, first I will call this employee info, a employee info, like go here, employee info. Okay, so please go to the index, last index. So I'm specifying last index. Okay, that is 2 here, not a 3. Okay, if you have a 3, it will be like a n minus 1. Okay, so if you are taking a n as an account, the last value should be n minus 1. So it's, when I'm saying employee info of 2, the position is, pointing here. In this, we have all this information. employee ID we have, employee name we have, employee designation we have, so on we have. In that exactly which information we need employee ID. So dot representation, okay, enable the dot employee hyphen ID. Okay, so now it will fetch particular employee ID out of 3. Okay, so this is how you need to use the index in order to loop through the multiple data which is available inside the array. Okay, so this is how it goes. So why we are working with this is, so while writing the script in the postman, this is all required. You need to traverse inside the JSON body response. There are multiple types you will get object, you will get a array. Okay, you have to travel inside that. So by the time this accessing methodology and all very important. Okay, so we should know how to access when it is an array, if it is an object, how to access all these things. We should have a clarity. Okay, since it is an array, we are representing in the form of an index and we are accessing. Okay, understood this? Understood? Any doubt?
Understood.
Yeah, understood.
Understood, right? Okay. Okay, so fine. Okay, uh, this much is fine for now. Okay, this much is okay for today. Tomorrow we'll discuss further concept. Okay, I'm going very slow for now because one more add-on batch will be adding for your batch. Okay, so we'll take both of them just a week. Okay, I'm going very slow with respect to concepts. If it is after than a week, will increase little bit speed. Okay, so let me know if you have anything to say. I mean to say the speed is okay, or you want still more speed, or you want me to go still more, slowly. Just let me know. Accordingly, I will plan. Okay. This concept understood, right? Traversing inside an object. Understood, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So here we are
Okay.
using any loop concept.
Uh, loop concept means like how Navin? What loop
No.
concept?
See, like that's we were using array, right? We can use loop
Uh-huh.
and we can fetch all the data in each and every memory.
Uh, like I didn't get. See, okay. See this one. Okay, array we are represented here.
Yes. See,
Then okay.
okay, we want to fetch the data for triple two ID, right? So in that we
Uh-huh.
have to fetch the name and all, but we don't know in which index these double two ID will be there, right? So that time
Uh-huh.
we can use loop and put the condition if ID equal
Uh-huh.
to double two, then fetch the name. So is any that kind of concept here? You know,
Okay. Yeah, that in yeah, yeah. Yeah, Naveen, that is like a logical concept that we can apply while we are writing the script, right? So all those logic we can apply there. Okay. Means you're saying when we have a multiple data, let me be loop and put some condition. If that is matching means okay, provide me this info, that kind, right? Okay,
yes, yes.
okay. Yes, yes, yeah. See, I mean, yeah, all those things, logical concept we can apply while we are writing the script. Okay, that is possible. All the whatever the logical and looping concept is known for you guys, that you can apply while we are start writing the script in the postman. Okay, that will be very fun actually. Okay, so when we are working in the postman while writing the script, we can use that. This is just now we are understanding data representation and accessing it, right? This is sample like how to travels inside the data, just a sample example. So those kind of logic and all that comes under the logic. This is just representation and we are accessing here. So logic and all we will write while writing the script. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. What Ramkoti? You wanna say something?
No, no. You were saying about loops only.
Ah, yeah. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. Tomorrow we'll connect and we'll continue further. Tomorrow, Friday, right? Okay. Okay, okay, okay. So tomorrow we'll see. Okay, if there is any, if there is no any session means I will just inform the team to inform you guys. Okay. Again, we'll connect on the Monday. If not tomorrow, Monday. Do you guys need a holiday because it's a first? Everyone was in the party in the Sunday. Do you guys need a holiday? Mm-hmm.
I think no.
See. Oh no.
Tomorrow we can
Okay.
have,
Tomorrow.
tomorrow we'll have class, and if required Monday, New Year we can give holiday.
Uh-huh. Yeah, tomorrow, no, actually, there's some personal work for me. Maybe I will be traveling. If not, means
So,
definitely I will connect. But yeah, I will connect to the mobile also, not a issue. I will just check, okay? Just only for tomorrow. New Year,
okay,
just let me know because all my other sessions has got cancelled because they want to party on the Sunday and they will not woke up early in the morning. Okay.
okay,
Uh, so you just let me know, guys. Sorry, I not created a WhatsApp group for you, right? One
yeah.
second, give me time. I will just create right away and I will pass it. One more, batch will be add on to your batch. New group. With whom do I create a group? API testing 8 a.m. 8 a.m. So month of December it started. Okay. Let me pause. Okay. Please join to this group, guys. Able to join?
No, how do I join from here?
Mm-hmm. Able to join?
What connection is
Okay. Yeah. Someone has joined, right?
One
Yeah,
second.
I joined.
Okay. And Naveen and Ramkoti able to join or any issues?
One sec. One sec.
Hmm.
Yeah, able to join.
Okay. 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 So Ramkoti, no issues, right? You'll be joining, right?